Well, again, so we're getting back into the HHO stuff at the minute, and this is a wee PWM circuit that I've made. Just a LM324. I'm going to use that there to run this. That's all rigged up. And then that's my bridge rectifiers there on a little heatsink. Should do the job. But the cell needs a bit of work on. I have to get round to do that. I've been doing a bit of work for a few friends. A bit of machining. I had to turn a boss out of that to hold a sprocket for a Harley Davidson trike. And like I say, the cells here, which I really need to get back to. Something else I was working on, I just found interesting. Warm up the scope. This orange wire here is electrically connected to the shed, and when I have it sitting on the scope, I have 6 volts AC coming out of it, and compared to when I connect to the, I think it's a half-size G5 RV, it's picking up about 2 volts. Now there's the power lines across there, I don't know if you can see them, and it seems to be at 50 hertz we're getting the energy at. But again, there's Bambi, down to the wire now. MOT on Tuesday, and it's insured for the year now, and I'm ready to go. So, like I said, I've been doing other stuff. I've been taking up a bit of time. That's my TIG and my MIG. And just handy having them on the two. More machining to do. These need a machine so that disc conversion for a Yamaha XJ900 trike, running I think it's Run Rialto back end on it, which I think the gear is going to be totally wrong with. It's up to your man himself. That's the machine. There was a lip here on this, which wouldn't allow this here to go on, so that's done. And all this was done on my 100-year-old lathe. I know I've got no slide, no screw on my carriage, and it's a pain in the arse having to unbolt it and slide it back and forward, but it works, and it works very well. And this here's there's no time belt. The pulleys a block of mahogany that I took out with a hole saw. It came to that size, and ratios seem to work out fine. That thing has done some. I've thrown some abuse at that, and it's kept on ticking. This was another one, which might be reinstated. It's getting a motor slow enough for it. It's all of 12 volt, about 3/4 horse, 12 volt motor, which might, in fact, there it is there. one here is out of a Sinclair C5, if you ever remember them. One of the first electric so-called vehicles. I might work out there onto that with a PWM on it and get away with some light work. I wouldn't abuse that motor too much, although I have done in the past. There's more motors in there, 30 or 40 motors laying around. But as you can see, into bits of all sorts of things at the minute. I think my head's up my arse and all over the place with